everybody, today I'm going to be showing you how to make this 3D cactus paper squishy. So let's just get right into the tutorial. So you just want to start by just taking a rectangular piece of paper. And so right here I just have a ruler, and basically what you want to do is you just want to measure 1 centimeter of your paper, and you just want to mark that. So as you can see, I have marked 1 centimeter, like that. So now what you want to do is you want to mark every 1.5 centimeter on here at just the top part that you marked already. And if that doesn't make a lot of sense, I'll show you what that looks like when I'm done doing it. So this is what it looks like, and as you can see, it's not perfect, but that's okay because these are just guidelines. So now what you want to do is you just want to color it in, and I'm just going to be coloring mine green, so yeah. So as you can see, I've colored it in, and today I just decided to use crayons. And as you can see, I did add the lines for the cactus, but if you do want to do this, you just want to make sure there's just one in the middle of each section. So the next thing you want to do is you just want to take some clear tape, and you just want to tape over the whole piece. So as you can see, I have taped over it, and you do want to leave one edge with some tape, but everywhere else you just want to cut off the excess. So the next thing you want to do is you just want to take your scissors and you want to cut along each of these lines. So now you should just have a lot of flaps, and you want to fold each one over right on the line. So once you do that, it should look something like this. So now what you want to do is you just want to fold it into a circle, and you want to tape it closed with the excess tape on the edge. So once you do that, you should have something that looks a little bit like this. So now what you want to do is you just want to fold each tab in on itself so that it looks like this, and you just want to tape it off with little pieces of tape. So it should look like this, and so you want to do that with all of these little tabs. So once you have done that, it should look something like this. So now I'm just taking some more paper, and what you want to do is trace a circle on the paper that will be able to fit on this part. It doesn't have to be perfect, it can be a little bit bigger, but you just want to trace it and then color it in the same color as your the rest of your cactus. So as you can see, I've colored it in, and now I'm just going to cut it out on the line. So as you can see, I've just done that, and now what you want to do is, this is kind of optional, but you want to place it on top, and you just want to trace those green lines up and onto it, and you just want to match those up and finish it at a point in the middle. So if you did do that, it should look something like this. And now what you want to do is you just want to cover it with clear tape again, and you don't want to cut off the excess. So now you should have something like this, and what you want to do is you just want to take your scissors and you just want to cut snips in it all the way around. So you should have something like this, and now what you want to do is you just want to put it on top, line it up, and you want to press down all the little tabs. So once you do that, it should look something like this, and now we're going to stuff it. So I'm just going to be using pillow stuffing, and you just want to stuff it through the bottom. Once you have stuffed it, what you want to do is you just want to trace the bottom around some more blank paper. So once you've done that, you just want to color that in like the rest of the cactus. So once you've done that, you just want to cut it out and tape over it. So once you have cut it out, you just want to place it over the bottom, and you just want to take little pieces of tape and just tape each one, and take it slowly because it will be a little difficult with all the stuffing. So once you tape on the bottom, you'll have the base of shape, but now we're going to make the arm, or whatever you want to call it. So for the arm, we're just going to be basically making a 2D paper squishy. So the first thing you want to do is you just want to make the arm, and you just want to make it to size with your like the body of the cactus. So once you do that, you just want to color it in, and then yeah. So as you can see, I've just colored it in and I added the strips. So the next thing you want to do is you just want to take your scissors, and you just want to really roughly cut out the arm, but just not on the line, just like this. So once you do that, you just want to place it on some more blank paper. I'm just using the same piece, and you just want to take a piece of tape, and you just want to place tape right over it. So now what you want to do is you just want to cut it out on the line, but you want to leave a tab So I'll show you what that looks like once I've done that. So as you can see, I've just left the tab right here, and then you should have 2 pieces of paper just like this. What you want to do is you just want to take little pieces of tape and you just want to place them on your 2 pieces of paper, and you just want to fold them over so that you seal them. So you want to do that all the way around, leaving the tab untaped. So once you have done that, you just want to cut off the tab, and then you want to stuff it with some more pillow stuffing. So once you have stuffed it, you just want to tape it closed, like you did the rest of the squishy. And so it should end up like this. So now you just want to glue the 2 pieces together. And I'm just going to be using the hot glue gun for that. So once you have glued on the arm, you're basically done, but I'm going to be adding a face to mine. This is optional, but I'm just going to be using Posca pens for this. And once they have dried, I'm just going to put a little bit of tape on the part where I put the Posca pen, just so that it doesn't scratch off. So as you can see, I've just done that, and now my paper squishy is done. So I think this turned out really cute. I know it was a little bit complicated, but it's really worth it, and it's really cute. So yeah. Hope you enjoyed. Bye!